Our planet, a tapestry woven with life, conceals beneath its vibrant surface secrets of a past long gone. Beneath our feet, beneath oceans, deserts, and dense jungles, lie forgotten cities, built by ancient civilizations, swallowed by nature and hidden from history. For centuries these lost worlds lay dormant, their stories whispered on the wind and etched in stone. Today we're uncovering the incredible stories of Earth's lost cities, buried by time, rediscovered by science, and shrouded in mystery. Our journey begins in the heart of the Colombian jungle, a place where the air hangs heavy with humidity and the emerald canopy stretches as far as the eye can see. For centuries, this unforgiving wilderness kept a secret now known as Ciudad Perdida, the lost city. It was here in the 1970s that fate intervened. Treasure hunters, their eyes set on riches, stumbled upon a site that would rewrite history, ancient stone steps swallowed by vegetation leading to a lost world. These steps, they soon discovered, belonged to the Tayrona civilization, a people who thrived in these jungles long before the arrival of the Spanish conquistadors. The Tayrona were masters of their environment, their city a testament to their ingenuity, terraces carved into the mountainsides, their stonework blending seamlessly with the natural world, speak of a deep connection to the land. But the jungle, as we know, can be both a giver and a taker of life. Over time, the Tayrona people moved on, leaving Ciudad Perdida to the mercy of the rainforest. Vines embraced its walls, roots wormed their way into foundations, and the jungle reclaimed what was once hers. Yet even in its reclaimed state, Ciudad Perdida whispers of the people who once called it home. Imagine, if you will, the sounds of daily life echoing through these ruins. The laughter of children, the rhythmic chanting of artisans, the hushed whispers of rituals performed beneath the watchful eyes of the jungle. The city, though lost for centuries, comes alive in our imaginations. Today, archaeologists carefully piece together the fragments of this lost civilization, their work revealing a people who were not only skilled builders but also astronomers and artists. Pottery shards, adorned with intricate designs, and ceremonial platforms aligned with the stars paint a picture of a vibrant culture deeply connected to the cosmos. Our quest for lost cities now takes us from the jungles of South America to the shores of India, where the Arabian Sea whispers tales of a city lost beneath its waves. For centuries, the story of Dwarka was passed down through generations, a tale woven into the fabric of Hindu mythology. It is the story of Lord Krishna, a deity revered for his wisdom and courage, and his magnificent city swallowed by the sea. The Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic, describes Dwarka in breathtaking detail, a city of gold adorned with palaces, temples, and gardens of unparalleled beauty. But was Dwarka merely a figment of imagination, a tale spun to illustrate the impermanence of even the grandest creations? Or could there be truth hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered? In 2001, marine archaeologists set out to investigate. Using sonar technology, they began mapping the seabed off the coast of Gujarat, India. And there, beneath the murky depths, they found it, a series of geometric structures spread out over a vast area, their forms eerily reminiscent of ancient city walls and buildings. The discovery sent ripples of excitement through the archaeological community. Could this be the lost city of Dwarka, its existence confirmed not just by ancient texts, but by scientific evidence? As divers descended into the depths, they were greeted by a sight that sent shivers down their spines. Stone walls, perfectly preserved by the ocean's embrace, stood as if frozen in time. Further exploration revealed a treasure trove of artifacts, pottery shards, beads, and even human bones, all pointing to a thriving civilization that once called this underwater city home. While the exact date of Dwarka's submergence remains a mystery, the evidence suggests that it predates any known civilization in the region. Our expedition now carries us to the desolate yet hauntingly beautiful Arabian desert, a landscape sculpted by wind and time. It is here, amidst the shifting sands, that we search for a city shrouded in legend, Uba, a name whispered in hushed tones by desert nomads for centuries. Known in ancient texts as Iram of the Pillars, Uba was said to be a city of immense wealth and splendor, its towers reaching for the heavens. But Uba, like many lost cities, was long dismissed as a myth, a tale spun by travelers seeking to add a touch of mystique to their journeys. The unforgiving desert, after all, seemed an unlikely place to find a thriving metropolis. Yet the legend of Ubar persisted, passed down through generations, its allure refusing to fade. In the 1980s, a team of intrepid explorers, armed with a combination of ancient maps, modern technology, and an insatiable thirst for discovery, set out to uncover the truth behind the legend. Their key to unlocking the secrets of the sands? NASA's Landsat program, a series of satellites capable of peering through the desert's veil. The Landsat images revealed a network of ancient caravan routes, crisscrossing the empty quarter, a desolate region of the Arabian desert. These routes, long swallowed by the sands, converged on a single location, a site that had long been dismissed as nothing more than a natural sinkhole. Could this unassuming spot be the final resting place of the legendary city of Ubar? Excavations began, and as the sand was carefully brushed away, a remarkable discovery was made. The ruins of a massive fortress, its walls constructed from massive limestone blocks, emerged from their sandy grave. Towers, just as the legends described, once reached for the sky, a testament to the city's former glory. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Southeast Asia, to the Kingdom of Cambodia, where beneath the emerald embrace of the jungle lies a testament to the power and artistry of the Khmer Empire. Angkor Wat, with its towering spires and intricate carvings, has long captivated the imaginations of travelers and historians alike. But this iconic temple complex, it turns out, is just the tip of the iceberg. Hidden for centuries beneath a dense canopy of trees lay a secret of breathtaking proportions, a sprawling metropolis, a city so vast that it dwarfed even the great capitals of Europe. This was Angkor, the heart of the Khmer Empire, a civilization that flourished between the 9th and 15th centuries. While Angkor Wat remained a pilgrimage site, the true extent of the city surrounding it was lost to time. Generations of Cambodians lived amidst the ruins, unaware of the sprawling metropolis hidden beneath their feet. It was not until the advent of modern technology, in the form of airborne laser scanning or LIDAR, that the secrets of Angkor began to be revealed. LIDAR, unlike traditional aerial photography, can penetrate the dense jungle canopy, bouncing laser pulses off the ground to create highly detailed three-dimensional maps. When researchers pointed this revolutionary technology at Angkor, they were astonished by what they found. Beneath the vegetation, a network of roads, canals, and buildings emerged, revealing a city far larger and more complex than anyone had imagined. The LIDAR scans revealed a network of temples, palaces, and hydraulic engineering feats that stretched for miles in every direction. This was not simply a city, it was a meticulously planned urban landscape, designed to harness the power of the monsoon seasons and support a population estimated to be in the millions. Our final destination takes us to the land of the pharaohs, to the shores of Egypt, where the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea hold a secret buried for millennia. Here, beneath the waves, lies Heraklion, a once great port city swallowed by the sea. Heraklion was more than just a city, it was Egypt's gateway to the Mediterranean, a bustling hub of trade and culture. Ships laden with treasures from across the known world docked at its harbour, merchants bartered for exotic goods in its bustling marketplaces, and temples dedicated to the gods stood as testaments to its piety. But Heraklion's prominence was not to last. A combination of earthquakes, rising sea levels, and perhaps even the weight of the city itself conspired to send it tumbling into the depths. For centuries, Heraklion was nothing more than a whisper in ancient texts, its existence debated by scholars who wondered if it was ever anything more than a legend. Then, in the year 2000, a team of marine archaeologists, led by the French underwater explorer Franck Goddio, embarked on a mission to map the seabed off the coast of Alexandria. Using a combination of sonar and magnetometers, they began to detect anomalies beneath the waves, patterns that suggested the presence of man-made structures. What they discovered would rewrite the history books. There, beneath the sand and silt, lay the ruins of Heraklion, frozen in time for over 1,000 years. As divers descended into the murky depths, they were greeted by a sight both eerie and awe-inspiring. Statues of pharaohs, their faces still bearing traces of paint, stood guard over sunken temples. Giant slabs of granite inscribed with hieroglyphics hinted at the city's former grandeur. And everywhere they looked, there were treasures, gold coins, jewelry and religious artifacts, all perfectly preserved by the ocean's embrace. As we emerge from our exploration of Earth's lost cities, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the enduring power of nature. These cities, once teeming with life, now lie silent, reclaimed by the very forces that gave birth to civilization. Nature has a way of reclaiming what was once hers. These cities remind us how advanced, connected, and fragile ancient civilizations were, lost, not because they were forgotten, but because they were hidden, waiting to be rediscovered. Their stories, etched in stone and whispered by the wind, serve as a poignant reminder of the ebb and flow of time, the rise and fall of empires, and the enduring power of human ingenuity. Which lost city amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into Earth's hidden wonders.